Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everyone. Grade 5. My dear students, welcome back again. Is the sound is clear? Okay. Okay, today page number 757. Okay, page number 757. Okay, check my progress. Page number 757. Before I start, I'll show you the homework for yesterday. This is the answer for yesterday homework. Number 1, 2, and 3. Okay, already I sent it in the WhatsApp group. Okay. Okay. In this page, vocab, check the first one, skip it. We didn't study it. Okay. Fahd Al-Admi, I don't see it. It's in WhatsApp group, Fahd. Already I sent it to WhatsApp group. Okay. The answer of yesterday homework. I sent it already to WhatsApp group. Okay. At the end of the session, I'll show it again. Okay. Okay. Start from number 2. We'll skip number 1 because we didn't study it. Okay, number 2. Multiply in simplest form 2 out of 5 times by 1 out of 2. As we learned before, how to multiply fraction by fraction, just multiply numerator and then denominator. Okay, but check first if there is any common factor between denominator and denominator or not. Okay, here I have 2 out of 5 times by 1 out of 2. If there is any common factor between numerator and denominator, yes, I have here 2 and 2, same number. Numerator and denominator means I can divide any number by itself to give us 1. So I can simplify 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Okay? Okay, so now I have, there is no another any common factor, so I have to multiply. I have here 2 becomes 1. 1 times by 1. Numerator multiply numerator. 1 times by 1 equals 1 out of 5 times by 1 in denominator equals what? Yes, equals to 5. Okay? Is it clear? Good. Okay. If you want to shade, this means I have 1 out of 5. I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. I can shade just only 1. Okay. Okay. Number 3. Write in simplicity form 3 out of 4 times by 3 out of 5. Okay, as we learned it before, you have to check if there is any common factor between numerator and denominator or not. If there is no any common factor, multiply direct. If there is any common factor, simplify it first and then multiply. Oh, I heard someone said I can cancel 3 with 3. No, same like number 2. 2 I cancel, 2 is 2. No, because 3 and 3, both of them in denominator, in the same place. Okay, if 3 up in denominator and another 3 down in denominator, I can cancel it or simplify it like number 2. Okay, be careful about this. Good. So I have to multiply denominators 3 times by 3. 3 times by 3 equals? Yes, 9. Out of. Multiply denominators. 4 times by 5. 4 times by 5 equals what? Yes, equals 20. So the answer will be 9 out of 20. To use this model to shade the answer or to shade the product, I have here 20 squares. Shade 9 of them. Okay, I can shade 9 from this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only this area I will shade it 9 out of 20. Okay. Any question in number 2 and 3? Chatting. Can you do it again? Who's this? Fahad? And it's Taj, I think. Yes. Okay, Taj. I will do it again. Okay. C. To multiply fractions. Okay. Any fraction has numerator and denominator. Okay. This 2 out of 5 multiply 1 out of 2. I can check first if there is any common factor between numerator and denominators or not. Okay. I have to start. Not that? Okay, whatever. Okay, okay, that. Whatever. Someone say again. Okay, 2 out of 5 multiply 1 out of 2. I have to simplify. I have here 2 in denominator and 2 in denominators. Same number, denominator and denominator. I can divide each one of them by itself. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. Also 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So I have to multiply 1 multiplied by 1 in denominators equals 1. And denominators 5 times by 5 equals 5. So the answer will be 1 out of 5. And then I will shade 1 column from 5 columns I have in the model. Number 3, I have 3 out of 4 times by 3 out of 5. There is any common factor between numerator and denominators? There is no. Be careful. 3 and 3, both of them in the same place, in denominators. Okay, be careful. I cannot simplify 3 with 3. There's no another common factor between numerator and denominators. So I have to multiply direct. 3 times by 3 equals 9 numerator, and then denominators 4 times by 5 equals 20. So the answer 9 out of 20. Okay? Okay. Okay. Next, number 4, 5, 6, and 7. Number 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Number 4. Multiply right in simplest form 1 out of 2 times by 4 out of 9. 1 out of 2 times by 4 out of 9. Okay, as we learned before, you multiply, check first if there is any common factor between numerators and denominators or not. Okay, here 1 out of 2 times by 4 out of 9. There is any common factor between numerator and denominators? Yes, I have here 4 and 2. Both of them in table 2. Okay, so I can divide both of them. No one use the pen, please. My dear students, please. Okay, so I can simplify 2 and 4. I can divide both of them by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals, yes, 1. And 4 divided by 2 equals, yes, equals 2. Okay, there is any common factor? There is no another common factor. So I have to multiply. Numerators 1 times by another numerator is 2. 1 times by 2, which is 2. Out of, and then multiply the denominator. 1 times by 9, which is 9. Okay? Okay. Number 5. 4 out of 5 times by 5 out of 6. Yes. Okay, I can simplify direct. 5 and 5. So I can simplify 5 and 5 by divide each one of them by itself. 5 divided by 5 equals 1, and 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So if I have the same numbers, denominator and denominator, I can cancel them by simplifying them by itself. Then the answer will be 1 and 1. Okay, and then I have to multiply, but be careful, we still have another common factor between numerators and denominators, which is, yes, 4 and stream is what this? Okay, and then I have to simplify 4 and 6. Both of them in table what? Yes, in table 2. So I have to simplify 4. 4 divided by 2, yes, equals 2. And 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So I can now multiply direct denominator by denominator. 2 times by 1 equals 2, out of 1 times by 3 equals 3. So the answer will be 2 out of 3. Okay? Any question about number 4 and 5? I don't know what's the problem about what you are talking about. There is no any problem. The sound is clear. Okay, number 6. 1 out of 5 times by 4 and 2 out of 3. Okay, the first is a fraction, and the second one is a mixing. Okay, fraction, no problem with the fraction, but I have a mixing. Okay, write the mixed number as improver fraction. Okay, as we learned before, 1 out of 5, it will still 1 out of 5 times by. Yeah, 4 and 2 out of 3 becomes what? Who can tell me becomes what? Number 4 again. Okay. Sorry, I will be back now. Okay, I will do it now. Number 4. Again, number 4. I have 1 out of 2 times by 4 out of 9. Okay, I have to check first. Okay, if there is any common factor between denominator and any denominator in the problem, I have here in the second fraction 4 in denominator with in the first fraction 2 in denominator. Okay, both of them divisible by 2 because both of them in table 2. So I can divide 2 by itself. 2 divided by 2 equals 1, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And then I have to multiply. 1 times by 2 equals 2. 1 times by 9 equals 9. Okay? Okay. Again, number 6. Back to number 6. 1 out of 5 is a fraction. Write it the same. And then multiply by a mixed number. The mixed number is 4 and 2 out of 3. You are welcome. Okay? Okay. To change mixed number to be improper fraction, yes, we have to keep denominator. Where is the denominator? 3, 4, or 2? Yes, 3, it is a denominator. The denominator of this mixed number is 3. We keep it. And then, yes, multiply denominator by what? By the whole. Yes, excellent. 4 times or 3 times by 4 equals 12. Then add it to denominator. Okay, then we will add it to denominator. 4 times by 3 equals 12. Then 12 plus 2 equals, yes, 14. So it will be 14 out of 3. Okay. Okay. So now I can multiply direct, but check first if there is any common factor between denominator and denominator or not. I have 14 divisible by 2 and 7. There is no any number here divisible by 2 and 7 in denominator. Okay, so I have to multiply direct. 1 times by 14 equals what? Yes, equals what? Equals to 14. Out of 5 times by 3 in denominators equals, yes, equals 50. So the answer will be 14 out of 15, the final answer. Okay? Okay. Number 7. There is any question about number 6? As bad lag. What is internet as bad? It's very well the internet. Maybe the problem in your device. Checking your device. The internet here is perfect. Really? Yeah, maybe check your device, please, okay, or your internet. Here, in my device is perfect, the internet, okay? Okay. Number seven, number seven. I will show you number seven. It was in the homework. The same in number three, as you see here. See, number seven, it was the same in number three in the homework, as you see here. يوسف بس بس في النت ما اعرفش فين ما اعرفش فين
الراجل بيقول مش عارف اشتغل مش عارف اوصل مش عارف ايه.
Okay, back again. Numbers three, sorry, seven, the same number three in the homework. Okay, as you see, 7 times 1, 7 and 1 out of 8 times by 2 and 5 out of 6 equals 2. I have mixed, multiply, mixed, as we learned before, yesterday and before yesterday. I have to write mixed as improbable fraction. As you see, keep the denominator 8, the multiply denominator by the whole, 8 times by 7, it will be what? 8 times by 7, it will be 56 plus 1, 57. Okay? Multiply. The second one, the second mix, change it to be improbable. Keep the denominator, which is 6. Then multiply the denominator by the whole, which is 2. 6 times by 2 equals 12. Then add it to denominator, which is 5. So 6 times 2 is 12 plus 5 equals 17 out of 6. And then I have to simplify. Okay, please, no one use his pen. No one use his pen, please. Okay? Okay, so now I have to simplify before multiply if there is any common factor. Yes, I found here 6 and 57, both of them divisible by 3. So I can divide 6 by 3 equals 2, and 57 divided by 3 equals 19. And then multiply denominators, which are 19 times by 17, I wrote it here already, equals 323, out of denominators, 8 times by 2 equals to 16. So the answer will be 323, okay, out of 16 means divided by 16. Okay, I can divide it here to show you how it's coming like this. The divisor is 16 because we divided by 16, and here I have to write 323. Okay, as we learned, we start by the last two-digit number, which are 32, and then I have to divide by, cancel the first with the first, as we learned before, cancel 2 with 6. So I have to divide 3 divided by 1 equals to 3. I have to test 3 before multiply it up, as we learned in the first semester. Okay, 3 times by 16 equals to 48. It will be too big. I cannot subtract 48 from 32. So I go for 2. which number less than 3, which is 2. It will work in. So 2 times by 16 equals what? Yes, equals to 32. And then I have to subtract 32 minus 32 equals 0. Bring down 3. Bring down what? Yes, bring down 3. Now I can divide 3 by 16. No, because 3 smaller than 16, I will put 0 in the answer. So now I have no any number to bring it down here. So the answer will be 20 and the remainder is 3. So the answer is 20 and 3 out of 16. Okay? Okay. Here without number 8 and 9, without multiplying, circle whether each product is greater than, less than, or equals to the whole number. Okay? Here I can use estimation.
So I was trying to connect, but we cannot.
I don't know what's the problem, but I have many participants. See? Many of the students, they are participating with me. Okay? Okay. Now we are on number 8 and 9. Page number 757, we're still in the same page. Without multiplying, circle whether each product is greater than, less than, or equal to the whole number. Okay? Number 8, 4 and 1 out of 8 multiply 7. Is greater than, less than, or equals to whole number. Okay? So I have to use a round. Okay? 4 and 1 out of 8 closer to be what? Yes, it will be 4, right? So if this becomes 4, so I have to change it to be 4 times by 7, right? Yes. So here, this becomes 4. And this is still 7. 4 times by 7, right? Okay. Now, 4, it is less than or greater than 4 and 1 out of 8. Yes, it's less than. Okay, because I take away the part of the number. Okay, I take away the fraction. So it will be the answer is greater than whole number. Okay, it will be greater than. Okay. But in number 9, 3 out of 5. If we round it, becomes what? Yes, becomes 1/2, and this becomes still 1. So it would be, so no, yes, 3 out of 5 is closer to 1. 1 times by 1, it would be 1. So the answer will be equals to the who. Okay, okay. Now we have been finished the lesson for today, and your homework, it will be the worksheet. Already I sent it to WhatsApp group, this one. this worksheet already I will send to WhatsApp group, and it's already available in the WhatsApp, available in the school website. Okay. Okay. Just have maybe there is no any question. Okay. Any question, guys? You are welcome, everyone. Number 9. Number 9. Just wait. Yeah, number 9. 3 out of 5 is closer to what? To 1. So 1 times by 1 is 1. So it will be equals to the whole. Okay. You are welcome. Number 8. Okay. Okay, Ryan. Number 8. If we round 4 and 1 out of 8 becomes 4. Yes? 4 times by 7, right? So it will be 28. But if I multiply the whole without rounding, it will be greater than the whole. So the answer is greater than. Okay, as you see here. Okay, okay. I will send already the worksheet for the homework. Okay, and the model answer will be in the school website already. Okay, with the worksheet. Have a nice day and see you soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.